Hi guys, my name's Dimitris, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the BenQ Interactive Panel with an external device plugged in and switch between the sources. This might be used just in case there's a network issue at a school or anything, so you can hardwire the devices straight in either through the USB-C or the HDMI and touch cable. Right now my laptop is connected through USB-C here, which to swap over to it, I select the connection tool, select Type-C, and that will now pick up my laptop screen and cast the image straight across to it. As you can see, I've got a PowerPoint presentation showing. So with this, because it is plugged in through Type-C, I have complete touch control, meaning I can jump onto a slide, I can draw over the screen, I can pick, edit, and alter any file I have from the laptop without ever having to actually go back to the laptop screen. If I want to change anything or start the presentation, I simply hit presentation start, and then from here I can slide in and out between all of them if I need to. The other key part of it, the floating tool. I can open, close that, move it around, change the color, and then focus on key parts and note taking around there. All of this can be pre-recorded, picked up with the microphone at the front for whatever speech you've made, or just taken as a normal screenshot if wanting to save just that one slide or one part of the PowerPoint. The other key part is through your sidebar here. What this guy has is a multi-window function, which once selected you'll see has now made my external device a minimized screen, which I can move anywhere around. I can pin it to the front of the screen as it still allows me to move it, but then as simple as open DMS, which will open in that multi-window function as well from the Chrome browser. If I want to go back to the full screen, I simply hit full screen and it comes back onto that main screen of my external device. The main reason this is available is purely if you don't have a network connection or it's a bit spotty or down for the day, you can still do all your editing, all your work needed on the full interactive screen by simply plugging in the USB-C cable or the HDMI cables that do come with it inside the box free of charge for you. Thank you.